Thank you very much. Senator Faruqi.
Thanks, Chair. Good afternoon, everyone. There has obviously been a lot of public interest in the ARC over the last year or so, and we also had that inquiry into my bill to remove ministerial veto. The ARC has had 2 ministers now write letters of expectations to the CEO in the last 9 months or so. My first question is whether Minister Clare's letter, and I think it's in August 2022 to you, essentially replaces former Minister Robert's letter to your predecessor, or whether Minister Robert's letter is still guiding the ARC's work.
Senator, the directions from the new minister are what we are following.
Okay. So the demand in Minister Robert's letter about national manufacturing priorities being a primary focus of funding in the Linkage Program has been dismissed?
And been replaced by Minister Clare's request in relation to the National Reconstruction Fund.